Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So much to get through today. Where do we start? We've got the proposed Russia-Ukraine ceasefire, 30-day ceasefire deal that is hopefully going to go ahead, which has seen gold just be a little bit uncertain of which direction it's going to go next. We've got the steel and aluminium tariffs that have been imposed today by the US, which means basically that it's a flat duty on any steel and aluminium entering the US up to 25%. And this is in the hope that America will be creating its own steel and aluminium manufacturing, which will bring more money keep more money in America. However, a lot of people are saying that it's going to raise prices quite significantly. And the European Union are expect to counter that by adding their own tariffs. And they're looking to see that it's going to have a response from the whole of the European Union, which will counter tariffs on billions of euros of US goods. So the trade war has begun. Well, it's kind of reignited, to be honest. It's pretty much begun from when Donald Trump was elected on the 5th of November. So almost 6 months ago now. Well, just over 5 months, sorry. So we're just seeing now that price action on the dollar index has plummeted quite significantly, and there are fears now or whispers of a potential recession. So much news to get through, and just a small matter of inflation data as well coming up. So we'll see just how much of a spike that could possibly get, because the instincts or the early let's just have a quick look. The early news is that there could be quite a big spike on inflation. So let's just have a quick look what we're looking at here. So year on year, back up to 3% potentially, and core inflation year on year 3.3%. So quite away from the Fed's target of 2%. It seems that all the hard work in the last couple of years could be coming undone thanks to President Trump. But we'll see if that's going to have any bearing on the news. So on the DXY, just looking the fact that we could be dropping back down to 1, back down to parity, which levels we haven't seen for quite a while. If we go all the way back to September, October of last year, as you can see here, this is where the directional bias is looking at the moment. If there isn't a change around in these tariffs, or if there isn't any kind of negotiation. But we are seeing divergences again and again on the charts, because we are sinking lower and lower into oversold territory on the RSI. So we could see a bit of a bounce even higher. But is this bounce just going to be a short-lived thing before we start moving lower? We'll have to wait and see. So, excuse me, on the flip side of that, on the gold chart, we're just seeing now that moving away from its record high, but we have had a nice bounce here since then. But as you can see here, very strong consolidation in the near term. This is due to the fact that gold traders are just waiting for that direction. As you can see here, uncertainty in the market does bring a lot of traders to gold. But now with a potential ceasefire for Russia and Ukraine, we could see gold slip slightly. However, obviously these talks have just begun. They're still ongoing. So any turnaround in those potential meetings could see gold start spiking quite a bit higher. So trading just above 2,900 at the moment. It'll be important to keep that handle for bulls. If we do slip through there like we have done before, then we'll just be looking at the previous lows, roughly around $20 below that. And then we'll see if there's going to be another slide lower. But lots of exciting news, lots to look forward to, and especially with the inflation data taking center stage, and what is the Fed going to do next. So thank you very much for joining me once again on this important market insights video, and we'll speak again next time. Please trade responsibly. Bye for now.